Okay, so we're going to do a quick video on drills, and this is a drill showdown. So we're going to discuss whether you should get a corded drill or a cordless drill, and we'll talk about the pros and cons quickly of what would be good for each type of project. So just quick background, for maybe at least the last 10-15 years I've had this Craftsman cordless drill. As you can see over here, it isn't charged, so it's not coming on, but it's your classic, they have two batteries, 18 volts, the 3/8 inch chuck. And overall, my assessment of this was, at least now, the batteries are weak. I charge it, I get like maybe 10 minutes worth of work. Not always enough. And I've always thought about, maybe trying out a corded drill. So I got this a few days ago. This one is a BLACK+DECKER. It's a 5.5 amp drill, also with a 3/8 inch chuck, which is really all you need for most household projects. I mean, 1/2 inch chuck is more for construction grade work. So quick assessments. I actually really like this one, and I'll talk about why, compared to the cordless one, which I've got to throw away basically. Obvious disadvantage, to start off with a corded drill is you need an outlet near you. So that's the biggest disadvantage that's known. What you get is maybe 4 feet of wire, so you obviously will need an extension if you are like in a garage, up somewhere in your attic doing work with this. So biggest disadvantage obviously with the corded is the fact that you need an outlet. Otherwise, honestly, there's no other disadvantage compared to the cordless. The cordless one, you can take it anywhere you go, no wiring needed. It's a bit heavier, because of the battery. That's one disadvantage. But biggest advantage that the corded has is really power. So this is like, unreal power in my view. That you don't need to charge. You don't need to charge your batteries. You're ready to go, and it keeps the same amount of power even 1/2 hour later into your work. This thing, you really need to charge your batteries quite often to get it to work. Other things, it has the forward reverse switch and the variable speed. The variable speed thing is a little bit well, not that tricky, but a little tricky. Basically, if you want it faster, you press this button once. You want faster, you press it again. So that's a little annoying. I wish they had a knob or something that you could intuitively see how fast you're going, but obviously you can hear your speed, right? So let's do a quick run of this. I'm going to plug it in, and my view, if you have a 15 to 25 foot extension wire like this, that's pretty much enough to access almost any area of your house. If you're doing, the only thing I could think of is if I were working on my mailbox, that I may not have an outlet and I may need to connect 2 to 3 of these wires in tandem together to get them to work. So very basic model. It doesn't come with too many bits, just this one, but obviously I have my own set. But just to give this a whir, here's what it sounds like. You can feel the breeze coming off me. So this is really powerful, as you can see. And I didn't even up the speed, so I'll try upping the speed now with the button. You can see the speed went up. I'm not sure how many times it can go up and what the max is. I'm still getting used to that, but basically even without pressing or upping the power or speed, this is an amazing thing. So short story for me is that having gotten this, I'm totally convinced that this is all I'm going to use henceforth. Corded, it's lighter, easier to sort of work when you typically are drilling, you're high up sometimes, you're hanging a curtain rod as an example, drilling into the wall, drilling pictures high up. Much less fatigue because this is lighter and much more powerful. Allows you to keep the thing straight and drill straight right the first time. In terms of which model to go with, this is the Black & Decker that I got. I think most of the common brands like Craftsman, Vival, etc. If you go with any of those, you can't go wrong. I don't know why I picked the Black & Decker, but this is what I have. As I said, this is a quick showdown on drills. You did a corded drill or a cordless drill. I'm in the camp of corded. You might want to do a cordless for a variety of reasons, as I talked about. Last benefit I've seen, just quick one, because there's no battery involved with the corded, these are about 10 to 20 bucks cheaper than a similar cordless model. And pretty sure this will give me more than 10-15 years of pretty solid use. It's a simple electric motor, really powerful. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you liked this video and found it useful. Give us a like, comment, and thanks for watching.